Recipes for Future Week 3. So today I'm equipped with a couple of numbers for you. First, there are 1.5 billion wild birds flying around in Europe currently. Now there are 3 billion chickens in factory farms caged up at the moment here in Europe at the same time. So double the amount already. It's quite similar in different countries outside of Europe, but yeah, some worse, some a bit better. But yeah, that's the reality at the moment. Another number is how much land livestock uses currently on the world. It's 30% of the land on the entire world which is used for livestock. Either they're eating on it or it's needed to feed them. So imagine 1/3 of the world already is used for livestock. Now with those numbers in mind, picture there is China and India, two countries formerly very vegetarian, now moving to a more meat-based diet. There's also the Western countries not really changing their diet. And there is the global population increasing and increasing and increasing. Now, if we keep going like that for another 20 years, it's quite easy to calculate even for an ordinary person that the world will collapse, right? It's just not possible to sustain a meat consumption like that with how we farm currently. And that's just the ecological point of view. Right, so what to do about it? Well, there are some technical solutions that I don't have for you right now, but there is also an easy one, and that's changing the behavior, at least a tiny bit, right? And this is why we make this video, or why I make this video right now. We have 3 plant-based recipes in our blog post. You find the link either on top or below the video. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, all delicious. Please share it. Please try it out. If it's just 1 or 2, I'm happy as well, and let me know what you think about it. All right, then I would say see you next week. Bye bye.